I tried press-on nails for the first time and I am hooked. So I've decided to give going to the nail salon for my nails a break, because when I tell you the damage that has been done to my nail bed for these gel overlays, it's way too much. So I've decided to start doing my own nails at home. I purchased some nails press-ons from Tip Beauty, and then I want to give away from them. So I have a ton of nails to play with. So stay tuned for some more fun designs. So I didn't realize how quick and easy it was to do press-ons, and I also always had the fear that they would just easily come off, and I didn't want that. So I've never really given them a try, but this application process was super easy. So I started off with just buffing my nails with this nail filer. I pushed my cuticles back. I then cleaned my nail bed off with the alcohol pads, applied some of the glue to my fingernail and then a little bit to the actual nail itself, and then pressed the nail on for about 10 to 15 seconds and I was good to go. So I'm just going to let you go ahead and watch. Let me know what you think in the comment sections down below. Do you use nail glue or do you use the adhesives when you're using fake nails? Let's chat it up in the comment section below, but go ahead and enjoy the rest of this video. Hope you guys have enjoyed this video, and if you want to see more nails, let me know. Again, I got a ton of nails from this brand, so I can definitely do more videos for you if that is something that you want to see. Hope you've enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and I will see you in my next video.